welcome back to another vlog. And today this vlog will be I know Tagalog vlog because I'm with my cousins here at Ascot Hotel. They're from United States, so we had to speak in English.
From where? Where are you from? Connecticut?
Yeah, Connecticut. Connecticut. Hi, this is Troy, my handsome cousin. So what do you want to say to them? Or do you want to sing?
No.
Thunder! Hey, thunder!
Apo,
Sige po.
doon ka naman.
Oh, yes! Here's my favorite brother because he's my only brother. And I have no choice. He's my mom. Here's my tita Ai. Here's Jao, my cousin. And Kuya Ban, my cousin also. And this is Junie. Hi, Junie!
Oh, come on, I died.
Why? Oh, you'll sing later for us. And these are all my titos and my titas. There's Tita Ai, there's PJ, Tita Marcel, Tito Gary, my dad,
And PJ, don't forget to.
and Tito Rolly. We have a lot of food. Oh, this is Tagalog vlog. So we have to English. And this is Tita Stella, the most beautiful Tita ever.
Ang sweat mo!
And these are all our food. I have to charge my English tea. I have to charge my English. So here's Troy. Do you want to sing? You want to hold it? What do you want to do? You know PLK Cosmetics is an actor. There are 4 little boxes inside.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like it's for me, like.
First year namin doon, nabot ko lang, di ba?
Strong eh. Strong ako lang yung kumapit na.
Hey guys, so I'm with Kuya Troy. You're a Kuya Troy now, right? So here's Kuya Troy. We're playing Snakes and Ladders, and he wants me to vlog this one. So here's our board.
Catching up to me now. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! That's it to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're gonna be lucky if you get it. Yeah, on the planet.
Ate Red.
Wow, Ate Red!
What do you want me to call you? Like Red?
Red?
Red? So this is Yana, and this is Eliza. Look at them, they're so beautiful. They're like Miss Universe of Universe.
Not me.
Only them. Not this one.
Don't Tagalog din. I panic English.
I forgot to tell you. I told my viewers that this is a
English only please
Yeah.
video.
English only. Yeah. So I'm not talking. That's why I'm not talking to you early.
We're still charging.
Because I'm still charging my English.
A to Z power back. Oh, charging my brain.
So you guys are 17. See?
I'm 22.
So why are you so asleep?
Why are you so
That's the first question because I saw their Instagram photo. They have their beach photos and I have my beach photos. So why are you so asleep? Why do you have abs and we don't?
I don't have abs.
You know
She
this
has
online?
abs. She kind of has abs. If I flex. If I like. I feel like.
Do you guys exercise?
Oh no, actually, like I really don't. Yeah. I really don't. Like if I feel like I want to, then I will. But then if I don't want to, then I just don't do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yun lang mo sabi. Oh really? Yeah, really?
Talk to them. I
don't want to talk.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say too.
Don't know what to do.
Don't know what to say. No, cross eyes.
No, it's duling.
Oo nga, sabi
Your
mo nga duling.
You said banlag.
Banlag is
It's
like
a
that.
different thing.
Different eyes. Different
Yeah,
eyes.
like different angle.
Different ways.
It should be like this, but the other one's like this. Yeah, so the first word is, you know what charot is?
Oh, it's just like,
Just
I know what it
kidding.
means.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't,
You
like,
say
translate
like, hey, you're fat. Charot. Yeah, you say it when you're just kidding.
Why do I look skinny?
You're
Why do I look
You're not fat. I'm chubby.
Yeah, my favorite is actually Jeffree Star and then Shane Dawson and then what's his name?
James Charles.
Yeah.
James
He
Charles.
speaks super fast. Like, hey guys,
Yeah.
welcome back to my channel. It's your sister.
Hey sisters.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, do you guys know like Nikki Tutorial?
Yeah. Do you know Tati?
Yeah!
Ay,
Tati,
ay.
the mother of YouTube.
Before I watch her, but
You should, but did you know that Tati is my like sleeping,
sleeping one.
you know na
Sleeping
ano,
pill?
Sleeping
kinda. Because
Oh,
every
to go to
time,
sleep. When you
yeah,
watch it
because
before
when I
bed.
watch her videos, her voice is like, hey guys, so today I'm gonna try this. I'm always falling asleep.
I love her P.O. box opening videos with,
Yeah,
with her
with
husband.
her husband, yeah. Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. And today, andito si Mami. Uwi kasi sila for Christmas ni Daddy. Kasi, we had a very, very sad Christmas. Pero okay lang. Kasi ngayon, happy na kami for Mama Del. So, ito yung kapatid ko dyan, may sakit. Itutuloy pa ba natin yung no English, no Tagalog?
Hindi na. Tapos na. Nosebleed na.
Dito, may mga na-receive kaming packages from the lifestyle store. Kung naalala nyo, sana ba yung MK? Hindi nata mami sa baba. So, kung naalala nyo, yung last haul ko, di ba, meron ako doon yung Michael Kors na bag. So, doon galing yun dito sa The Lifestyle Store. This one. Ayan. Doon ko nakuha to. So, ngayon, nakipag-collab ulit sila sa akin. Ayan na, gumawa ako ng mystery box for my mom at saka my lola. Si mami hindi na makakaakyat din. Makakaakyat siya pero hinihingal siya doon.
Oh, third floor pa eh.
So, etong dalawang to, ito yung box. Meron daw 3 bags. Yung dalawa, alam ko kung ano, syempre ako pumili for them, for mama, at saka kay mami Lulu. Dalawa, alam ko. Yung isa, yun daw yung for me. So, hindi ko alam. So, thank you so much kay Sir Mon at Sir JM ng The Lifestyle Store.
First ever, brand new, urig bag. I don't know what's inside yet, but I don't know what brand it is, but we'll see.
Syempre sa Lifestyle Store, as in legit talaga doon. Like, pumunta kami ni Mama doon. Dinala ko siya doon. Tas, lahat talaga, guys. Meron mga Kate Spade, Starburst,
Guess.
Givenchy, Guess, mga Longchamp. Longchamp.
Function.
Anyway. Okay, MK ulit. Ayan yung laman. Okay. Ay, dapat nga, mystery box, bubunot ka lang eh. Pero
Ano yan?
anyway, ayun na, naging unboxing
Unboxing
na
na.
to. Pero hindi rin kasi namin alam kung ano yung nasa loob. Ito, binili ko for my lola. Ayan. This is an MK na parang sling bag. Ganun. Ayan.
Lola, Mommy Lolo.
Okay, next one. Baka ito na yung chinus ko para sa'yo. Sige, go. Kuha mo. So, ayun, dalawa lang yung laman ng box. Meron pa isa dito. Sabay na rin natin to.
I-open.
This one.
Uy, ang laki. Laki.
Oh, so ito yung for you. Ito yung for me.
Ay, baliktad pala.
Okay, ayun yung pinili ko sa'yo.
MK, hello.
Hindi ko alam na, MK din pala. So, ito yung for me. So, hindi ko alam na MK din siya. Kaya nagulat ako kung bakit 3 silang MK. Basta ang alam ko sa kanilang dalawa, MK yung binili
So,
ko.
3 MKs for 3 Luz.
Oh, nga
Lulu,
no!
Mama Luisa, and
Ate Luz! Hala! Dalawa na MK ko!
Wow!
You like it?
Yes!
Ayun yung first ever like gift ko sa kanya na legit na gift talaga.
True, and it's expensive.
Kaya
Thank you.
So, ito yung for me. Wait lang, i-unbox ko na yun. Ano daw dito?
Doctor's bag?
bag ata yan.
Actually,
So,
yung
this
bag
is-
mo.
Hala, ito yung lagi kong tinitingnan sa website nila.
Kaso hindi mo mabili-bili?
Oo, kasi syempre parang kaya kong magwaldas para sa inyo, pero hindi ko kaya magwaldas for me.
Oh, so sweet.
Thank you so much, Sir Mon and Sir Jay.
Thank you po.
And
Happy New Year.
kung gusto niyo pumunta, doon sila sa may Ayala, Erlag Building sa Ayala Avenue, Summer. So, meron din silang website, ito, thelifestylestore.com.ph. Kung gusto nyo, if you're interested, kung gusto nyo makita kung ano yung mga tinitinda nila. Pero, it's better na pumunta kayo dun mismo sa,
to see is to
oo.
believe.
Kasi
So you can
actually,
choose from different, ang dami talaga
ang
nilang
dami ng brands.
bags.
Ang dami nilang brands.
As in talaga, tapos may mga sale pa sila.
Tapos, kasi may napili akong bag for Mami Lulu na Coach na messenger bag something. Tapos pagdating namin doon, malaki pala siya for Mami Lulu. So, parang buti na lang hindi ko sila in-order online. Like, pumunta talaga ako dun sa store.
Doon sa taas sa may mga shirt.
Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa Trinoma. Nagsha-shopping kami with Mommy, with
Hello.
with Daddy, and with Soy. So, hiwalay daw muna kami ngayon.
Sige.
Kasi hiwalay silang
Messenger na
boys.
lang.
Bye! Bye!
Doon ang meeting place natin sila sa email ko.
Okay, lahat kasi kami, may tag-iisa kaming budget na 3,000. Siyempre, thank you so much to American Express. As usual,
For
credit
having the
card.
3 months deferred payment. O sige na. O, kwento mo muna yung kay Daddy.
Si Daddy kasi, may nakakilala kasi sa akin kanina. Parang yung mga stall sa gitna ng landmark. Ay, sa landmark, ng Trinoma. Tapos yung isang sales lady doon, nakilala ko. Sabi niya, hi sir, hi Ate Lou. Sabi ko gano'n. Sabi ko, hello. Tapos yung tatay ko sabi, sige tara, picture kayo. Hindi picture naman kami, gano'n. Tapos may dumaan ulit, sabi ng isa, hala si Ate Lou, sabi ni Daddy, oo siya si Lou, sige picture kayo, tara. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, Daddy, binibigta mo ako sa lahat. Binili ko tong sweater na to sa Terra Nova. Niregalo ko kay Soy. Guess what? Sino una nagsuot ako? Kasi di ba umalis kami, pinadala niya sa akin to kasi naiwan ako sa bahay. Pinadala niya sa akin. Eh, imbes na hawakan ko dito, di ba? Isukbit ko. Sinuot ko na lang. So, ayun na kunin sa akin ni Soy. Okay, so, katas lang namin mag-shopping, tas so uwi na ulit sila, ma'am. Hindi na namin natapos yung vlog namin kahapon. Pero ayun, uwi na ulit sila, mama. Balik na ulit sila ng papo. Saglit lang sila dito, mga 1 week lang. So,
See you guys in May. Bye. Bye, Lucarets.
Bye!
Bye, Soy!
Bye! Nagigising lang.
Joke lang. Ayun, mababa na kami, mag-grab na sila, mama. Bye, guys! Thank you so much for watching this vlog! And we'll see you on my next one. Bye!